Now, keeping you and your family safe. This is 2 Works For You weather, certified most accurate.
All right, well, some of you lucky enough to get some rain overnight, but those totals didn't amount to a whole lot, at least not here.
Yeah, here in the city of Tulsa, guys, picked up 2/10 of an inch of rainfall. Over 3 inches up in Veneta. Some places picking up way too much, other locations not picking up much at all.
Yeah.
Let's take a look at the numbers so far. Now, for the year, we should be up at around 15.9 inches of rain. 12.4 now when you add the 17/100ths of an inch that occurred through the overnight hours here in the city of Tulsa. We're still running about 3.5 inches below average for the year, and you notice that May total now up to 32/100ths, and the driest May we've seen on record back in 1897 was 0.8 of an inch of rain, so we only have a couple days left. Could wind up as the driest May on record. However, we do have a couple of good chances for rain and thunderstorms over the next couple of days, so we could even see some heavy amounts of rain in that activity. So there's a potential we could see the driest May, but right now it does look like that chance of rain is fairly high across our area, and I think these totals will go up a bit here over the next 48 hours. Viper 2 HD, it is all quiet for the late morning hours. Most of eastern and central Oklahoma quiet. The showers and thunderstorms moved across our area during the overnight hours. Early this morning they pushed off into northwest Arkansas, and things have been pretty quiet since. Now up to the north and west, we do have a stationary front across extreme northern Oklahoma. I expect showers and thunderstorms to develop in these locations later on this afternoon, and then they'll move to the south and east, so they'll impact parts of northeast Oklahoma late afternoon into the evening hours. So if you have any evening plans, maybe you have baseball practice, soccer practice, do be advised we could see some of those thunderstorms rolling in during the evening hours. More than likely they would be strong to severe, so we'll be watching it for you through the evening hours. 84 degrees on the hour here in the city of Tulsa with high humidity level 53%. Winds still relatively light out of the south at 6 miles per hour. They'll stay at about 5 to 15 miles per hour through much of the afternoon. 81 out in Woodward, northwest Oklahoma, 82 in Clinton. Take a look at Childress, Texas. Northwest Texas already at 89 degrees. Fairly hot as well off to the southeast. Take a look at Little Rock, 87, 86 right now in Texarkana, so it is warm area-wide. And as we move in a little bit closer, temperatures are for the most part in the 80s across eastern Oklahoma and western Arkansas. You notice up in Branson still setting in the upper 70s, but 86 in Poto, 83 in Muskogee, 86 in McAllister, and 85 degrees down the turnpike in Bristow. All right, as we move through the day, around the noontime hour, a little bit after that, during the afternoon hours, this is where I expect showers and thunderstorms to develop southern areas of Kansas back into north central Oklahoma. As I put this into motion, watch the activity drift to the south and to the east. I do expect any thunderstorms to develop to move into northeast Oklahoma from the north and northwest. Hail and high winds will be the main threats with any severe weather, although we can't completely rule out an isolated tornado or two with any of this activity, so we're going to have to watch it very closely through the afternoon. Into the evening and overnight, it'll push off to the south and east. We'll see some lingering showers and storms overnight. Tomorrow morning, we'll start you off at 7 a.m. There will be a slight opportunity of morning showers and storms, and through the afternoon, we'll watch back to the north and west. More activity developing during the afternoon in southern Kansas, and that's going to race to the south and east as well. And the activity tomorrow evening could even be stronger than what we expect for this evening, with more hail and strong straight line winds for your Wednesday evening. But for today, before the storms get here, we're going to see partly cloudy skies, hot and humid weather, 91 the high temperature with that south wind up to 10 miles per hour. Upper 80s, low 90s area wide, and that sun setting tonight at 8:34. After our 91 today, that 50% chance of evening showers and storms, that'll carry over into the nighttime hours. Tomorrow, best chance of rain and storms will be during the late afternoon and evening. Again, some of those could be strong to severe, and that could last into Thursday morning. Finally, that front we've been talking about pushes to the south. Much cooler weather, guys, for Thursday and Friday. How about 50s for lows, 70s for highs with abundant sunshine.
It's going to feel like winter to us after what we've seen.
It's going to be beautiful. Can't wait.
Liking it. Thanks, Steph.